Hi guys, here we have an Seat Exio. I'm just doing an alloy wheel scuff. I'm doing all four wheels on this car, but I'm just showing you one wheel. I've started off DAing with 120, then 240, then 360, 500, and then 800 to finish off, and then Scuff. You've got to go down the grades and get smoother and smoother, getting the deep scratches out until you kind of finish with a very smooth surface, enough for the paint to adhere to, but removing all scratches. With alloy wheels, it's always very tricky to get into the intricate parts, especially in the corners. You should always double check these areas, make sure all the shiny bits have disappeared. It's very easy to go through on alloy wheels as well. There's not that much paint there. So if you do go through, always make sure you put enough paint on top to cover it. Here we're going with the Scotch, wiping it down, then panel wiping. When masking up alloy wheels, sometimes the wheels have tyre dressing on them, which prevents the tip sticking. You just have to really panel wipe the tyre down, make sure all the grease has disappeared. On these wheels they were okay, the tip stuck down straight away. Masking up around the wheel and putting some paper inside the wheel as well helps keeping the paint off the calipers and the discs. Just put some etching primer on. First coat of paint. Hi guys, please like this video. It means a lot, helps me make more videos. So yes, please like. And if you like this video, subscribe and ping that bell so you can be notified on other videos. Third coat there. Just double checking to making sure that everywhere is covered. It's quite shaded in the inserts, so you've got to double check every angle. Just put a dust coat of lacquer on. I'm going for the main lacquer, get that shine. Light dry bit. There we go, we're taking the paper off now. When taking the paper out from the inside, I use a rod to poke it through the back. Best way. And that's it guys, all finished. Quick and easy. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.